Hello everyone, it's Teresa, Carolina Girl Reese again. Welcome to my channel. Subscribers, welcome back. Newbies, thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to do something a little different, just something I was kind of working on. I saw one in the store that was made already, and I thought maybe I can do something like that myself. So I'm going to show you how I've made this super easy centerpiece for fall. And it really is super easy, and it's really not even a tutorial needed, but I want to share it. So, happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday. Okay, so what you're going to need, I've got this vase here, or it's really like a bowl. Like I had candy in it for Christmas, but I had it. So you can use any kind of little bowl. This is really cute. Or a vase, or some kind of just something that would make a good, oh, I don't know, just to hold your floral in. Okay, so this is what I'm using today, whatever you want to call it. Looks like a large drinking glass, don't it? And then you'll need some floral foam to put your flowers in. I have me a big piece already in here that I've got. And then also I picked this up from the Dollar Tree, floral moss. Floral moss. So, and that's pretty neat. It does really good for projects like this. And then I also got from the Dollar Tree, I picked up 4 bunches of beautiful fall flowers. Aren't they pretty? I just love these colors, guys, for fall. So that's not, I mean, they're really nice from the Dollar Tree. And then, of course, some ribbon. And I chose 2 ribbons. I'm going to use some daisy or sunflower kind of light and the orange together. And then you'll need, like, because this is going to have some leaves, I'm using a 10-inch brown mesh for my leaves. And you won't need but maybe 4 or 5 pieces at the most. And then, of course, I'm choosing some zip ties for your leaves. If you have any zip ties, it'd be great. Or you can even use the pipe cleaners. And you'll probably want to cut them at about a third, half or a third. So that's really all you need for this. And I'm thinking she's going to be cute, pretty, can't be ugly with all the beautiful colors. So let's get started, everybody. So here we go. I have me some foil down because this moss is kind of messy. I just took my jar here, my bowl, whatever you're using. And I added some moss first to get her filled in there some, a little more. Okay. And I just put my center on top here. This is like the, well, floral foam, or I've got the foam ball. Either one will work great. I thought this one would work better in my bowl here I'm using. So I'm just going to put her down in there on top. And I'll add the moss around the sides now that I've got her in. Around the sides. Hope everybody's doing okay today. I'm a bad girl. I hadn't done a couple of tutorials in a few days, and I've missed it. I've just been occupied with my grandchildren, and then my husband, when he's home, there's things we need to get done, so forgive me, I've missed it. I've missed being on here and spending time with you all, and I really thank you all for who's ever with me today right now. So there we go. I've got her filled up some. See the mess I'm making? Okay, so you just fill her up. Then I'm going to start putting my flowers in. Which anybody knows how easy that is, right? So you choose any flowers you like, or you just fill them. And I'm going to leave mine up a little high. So that on my table they'll be looking good. Put them in the center of my table. So you just want to put your flowers in around there. Let's start with some big ones. Stick them in down in there all around. See? Colors. While I'm thinking about it, guys, my giveaway's Monday. Monday's the day we find out who wins. So if you're watching, newbies, please remember, I'll ask you to subscribe, please. Please subscribe to my channel. Come back. Every month I have a giveaway, and I try to make it a nice one. I want to show my appreciation. Okay. But there we are, just getting some flowers in. And I'm going to finish these flowers, and we'll be right back, and we'll get the little bows on the leaves and show you how good it's going to look, okay? Okay, so all my flowers are arranged. They're not the best, but here she is. Moss, and just really simple, just to fill her up with my flowers I chose. Now I'm going to add the leaves and the ribbons. And I already made a leaf for you, just a simple leaf pattern. Petal, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And like I said, the ribbons are cut at 12 inches a piece. Okay, so that's one of my leaves with the ribbons we're going to put on her. And here's my mesh for the leaves, and I told you 10 inches, I'm using 10-inch mesh at 10-inch pieces. And you can use any color, even a brown, green, even yellow, because fall leaves are different colors. So all we're going to do to make this easy petal, just gonna, let's see her piece. Okay, take your piece of mesh here, and you just want to fold it like, okay, the factory edges here that's not cut, and then you got a cut part. The factory edge is the part that's not cut, so just turn them like opposites, and your cut places will be up and down. And then you just want to turn it to a diamond, and take that, make a point at both ends. You're making a big triangle. Okay, it looks like a big triangle. Then when you get that, I'm going to lay it down here. And all I'm going to do here is like, let's see, still, is scrunch it along the top. Okay? I'll show you. Just work with it. Okay, in the middle, you gather in the middle here, and then over at the other end, and gather that in. Same with the other side. Gather it in with your thumbs and fingers. Gather it in, and when you get through, you take your little pieces that's sticking out, just fold them under. Okay, and there you go. You've made your leaf, your leaf petal. Okay. I hope you can see that, and I'll do one more. Then this one I'm going to take my zip tie for, because it holds it together better. Just take it at the ends there. Zip tie, or if you don't have any zip ties, really, a pipe cleaner will do just fine. I just prefer to use these for me, but you use what you have. Be fine. Okay, and just get that on there. Us wreath makers, our hands get wore out, don't they? Don't they, guys? Okay. So there you go. There she is. Don't worry about the trim. If you have any fraying, just cut it off. Okay, now for the ribbon, I'm going to add to her. I chose the pretty orange and the sunflower together. So my ribbons are cut at 12 inches, and they're already ducktailed. Okay. If you don't know how to ducktail, you just fold the ribbon in half, fold it again at the bottom, and I cut from the wired edge up into the crease. Just slant it up into the crease. Okay? So then we just want to pinch the ribbons together like if we were making for a wreath. Pinch them together in the center here. Then I'm going to add them onto my leaf here. That's why I cut my little pipe cleaners in thirds. I'm just going to wrap it around the leaf. Give her a good couple of twists. Just a couple be fine, because we're going to put her down into the moss. Okay? Then I'll wait till I get her on, and I'll fluff her out now. We're going to get them all on first. But that's how she's going to look when you get the ribbons on. Okay, do one more ribbon, one more leaf. factory edges, okay, are on each side. Okay, and just turn it like a diamond. Take it up to a triangle. You're making a big triangle. That's what it looks like, a big old triangle. Okay, when you get that down, just keep working with it. It ain't going to be perfect. This is deco mesh, so it's kind of different from the fabric mesh. But okay, and then what I've done in the middle here, just went to the middle up from my point. You can measure, but if you eyeball it from the point, go up to the center. Scrunch it up there with your fingers. Grab it here on one side, on the other side. Do the same. Oh, it's hard to scrunch it up there. On the other side, scrunch it up. You're going to have two little tails, but you just tuck them under here. Okay. And there we go. I'm going to put my zip tie on her. Well, get a hold of her here. Sometimes I can do them in a breeze, and sometimes they give me trouble. Pliers. Okay. So here's your next one. Pretty little brown leaf. And then same thing with your ribbons. Just take them like you're doing on your wreath. Pinch them together. And I just do them around the leaf here at the top with a pipe cleaner. Yeah. Now I didn't cut, if you use zip ties, I didn't cut them off because reason why too, those are going to go down, I'm going to stick those ends down into my moss, or you can do the pipe cleaner, either way, whatever you got using. So we're going to fix our ribbons when we get them in the, so there we go, there's our ribbons and leaves, okay? So, I'm going to take my arrangement here, and I'm going to put my leaf. All you want to do is just find a place on each side. I'm not sure. I think it might take 4 or 5 around. But we're going to see. And just take that piece of your little leaf and push it down into the floral thing. The zip tie floral thing. And all that moss, just go in there and you can find it. Okay. Here we go. I'll show you what that's going to look like. And now my ribbons here, when I show you, all I'm going to do is bring them down. I'm bringing them down. See how that's going to look? It's hanging off you've got it hanging off, not up in your flowers, like hanging off. And my ribbons are draped down. I don't want them standing up. They're draped down, but they're fixed with, you can see both colors. Okay? Because when we get through with this, we'll come back and add more moss if there's any place in the ribbon that's where I put it in the vase, it's showing. Okay? Just want to stick it down in that moss pretty good, the floral moss. So I'm going to finish the other side, the ribbons, and tell you how many it takes then, okay? Thank you for staying with me. Okay, guys, here she is. I ended up putting around 5 leaves and 5 pairs of ribbons. So that's 10 pieces of ribbon you'll need at 12 inches each. And 5 of each choice of colors or print. And if you see any places, you can always go back and add more flowers. See your leaves? And just, you know, they're just stuck in the floral. So I'm hoping that someone likes this. I'm trying to get her where, let's see, well, here she is. I'm going to have a picture on when I put up my tutorial. I've got the grandkids stuff in the background here. I should have moved it. They've been playing out here, but there she is. Just a pretty little simple, super simple, easy. I think the leaves is really what added to it. Just put some leaf striping down. Okay, so I hope everyone liked this one. I'm trying to do things people might like, but Remember, I'm just a redneck girl from North Carolina. But I'm going to see you on my next tutorial. So everybody have a good Monday. Thank you for viewing this little video. Just a simple, pretty fall decor for your table. Until next time, bye-bye.